Hello, and welcome to this video where I'm going to review a project I've recently worked on. The project includes a Blazor app. So Blazor is a modern front-end framework that allows you to write the code using C#. This project runs on AWS, uses infrastructure as code to define which services will be used. In this case, the static files for the project are stored in an S3 bucket. We have CloudFront, which makes use of that S3 bucket to make the web app accessible on the internet. Then we have a code build, which is a CI/CD service on AWS to compile or build the front end files, and it gets triggered by changes from GitHub. So let's review the app. It's a standard to-do app where you can add items, mark them as complete, and remove them. And looking at the code, we see that it has the HTML tags for static content and mixed with C# code for the dynamic processing. On the infrastructure side, we have a few parameters of things that could change. We define the S3 bucket, the CloudFront distribution, which uses the S3 bucket as an origin. Then we have the section with all the code build pieces, for example, defining the GitHub repository as the source, finding the build spec on how our project will be created, and defining the permission, so to allow CodeBuild to access the GitHub repository and install the webhook and upload the final compiled files into our S3 bucket. And yeah, putting everything together in a CodeBuild project and outputting the CloudFront URL for easy access, which looks like this here. And yeah, that gets us this web page. This is what the project would look like on AWS. We see the repository here, and down here is are the builds we have attempted so far. We can manually trigger a build, but it's also set up to automatically build a project whenever a change gets pushed to our repository. And in terms of cost, CodeBuild has a free tier that includes 100 build minutes per month. And in my test, it took around 2 minutes to build this project, so that would mean it cost around $0.01 per build. And yeah, that's the review of the Blazor To-Do app. Thank you for watching.